Let us solve for s, given 3 raised to power x multiplied by 3 raised to power x is equal to 81. If you have a raised to power m to the power of n, this is equal to a raised to power mn. Then if you have a raised to power m multiplied by a raised to power n, this is equal to a raised to power m plus n. Now we have 3 raised to power x multiplied by 3 raised to power s. This can be written as 3 raised to power s plus x is equal to 81. Then this is 3 raised to power s plus s. This is 2s is equal to 81. 81 is equal to 3 raised to power 4. Here we have 3 raised to power 2x is equal to 3 raised to power 4. They have the same base 3. We consider the exponent here. 2x is equal to 4. We are looking for the value of s. Let us divide both sides by 2. This divided by 2, this divided by 2. These two cancel these two. 2 here, 1, 2 here, 2. S is equal to 2. This is the value of s. Let us check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong, because we are going to solve this problem in another way around. To check, we have the given equation 3 raised to power x multiplied by 3 raised to power s is equal to 81. If s is equal to 2, then we have 3 square multiplied by 3 square must be equal to 81. 3 square here, this is 9, multiplied by 3 square here, 9, must be equal to 81. 9 times 9, that is 81, is equal to 81, which is true. Now, let us solve this. If 3 raised to power s plus 3 raised to power s is equal to 81, what is the value of x? Let us see. Here we have 3 raised to power s, which is common. Let us bring it out. 3 raised to power s bracket this 3 raised to power s divided by this 3 raised to power s, that is 1, plus 3 raised to power s divided by 3 raised to the power of x, that is 1, is equal to 81. 3 raised to the power of x multiplied by 1 plus 1, that is 2, is equal to 81. Now here, let us divide both sides of this equation by 2. This divided by 2 and this divided by 2. These two cancel these two. 3 raised to the power of s is equal to 81 divided by 2. Let us take the log on both sides of this equation. We have log 3 raised to power s is equal to log 81 divided by 2. Now, if you have log m raised to power n, this is equal to n log m. This can be written as x log 3 is equal to log 81 divided by 2. Let's divide both sides by log 3. Divided by log 3 and this divided by log 3. Log 3 cancel log 3. X is equal to log 81 divided by 2, then divided by log 3. If you have log a divided by b, this is equal to log a minus log b. Now log 81 divided by 2 can be written as log 81 minus log 2 divided by log 3. Let us play this. S is equal to log 81 divided by log 3 minus log 2 divided by log 3. S is equal to log 81 can be written as log 3 raised to power 4 divided by log 3 minus log 2 divided by log 3. This can be written as, we have x is equal to 4 log 3 divided by log 3 minus log 2 divided by log 3. This log 3 cancels this log 3. 4 minus log 2 divided by log 3. Therefore, our final answer is S is equal to 4 minus log 2 base 3. This is the final answer. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation 3 raised to power x plus 3 raised to power s is equal to 81. This can be written as 3 raised to power 4 minus log 2 base 3 plus 3 raised to power 4 minus log 2 base 3 must be equal to 81. Here we have 3 raised to power 4 multiplied by 3 raised to power minus log 2 base 3 plus 3 raised to power 4 multiplied by 3 raised to power minus log 2 base 3 must be equal to 81. This is 3 raised to power 4 divided by 3 raised to power log 2 base 3 plus 3 raised to power 4 divided by 3 raised to power log 2 base 3 must be equal to 81. Now here, if you have a raised to power log b base a, this is equal to b. We have 3 raised to power 4 is 81 divided by the whole of this is 2 plus 3 raised to power 4 here, 81 divided by the whole of this is 2 must be equal to 81. Then the LCM here is 2. Then we have 81 plus 81 must be equal to 81. Let's see, 1 plus 1, that is 2. 8 plus 8, 16. That is 162 divided by 2 must be equal to 81. 2 here, 1, 2 here, 81. Therefore, 81 is equal to 81, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.